Protects your outboard by making it easy to quickly flush saltwater from the engine. Fits most popular outboard engines from Mercury, Mariner, Yamaha and Suzuki. Snaps on easily and slide valve remains on the engine permanently, so it's always ready for flushing. Reliable O-ring seal enhances the fit. Kit includes slide valve and quick connect. Top reviews from the United States. I am not sure what the last review was talking about. This is really simple to use. I have twin motors and have one mounted on each motor. I plug them in and turn on the water. When I am done, I take them out. The very same process you would use for muffs. If you need to relieve some pressure to get the end off, turn off the hose and reinsert the end back in the motor. This will relieve the pressure by opening the valve. After that, you can take the end off.